Welcome to Math Made Easy with Frida. Today we will be solving this exponential equation. Let's get started. We have here 9 to the power of 502 plus 9 to the power of 500 over 82 is equal to 3x. Immediately I see the 500 and the 502. I want to break this 502 into 500 and a 2. So we know that 9 to the power of 502 will be equal to 9 to the power of 500 into 9 to the power of 2, because exponents, when we multiply exponents, we add their values. All right, so let's replace 9 to the power of 502 with this. All right, so now that's equal to 9 to the power of 500 into 9 squared plus 9 to the power of 500 over 82 is equal to 3 to the power of x. Now looking at this, immediately you see 9 to the power of 500 is common. Since it's common, we can take it out as a common factor and take it out. That's 9 to the power of 500 into 9 squared plus 1. It goes here once time and here 9 squared over 82 is equal to 3 to the power of x. We know that 9 squared is equal to 9 times 9, which is 81. And 81 plus a 1 is equal to 82. So 9 squared plus 1 here will be 82. So we are left with 9 to the power of 500 into 82 over 82 is equal to 3 to the power of x. This cancels and we are left with 9 to the power of 500 is equal to 3 to the power of x. We know that 9 is equal to 3 squared. So let's replace it here. We have 3 squared to the power of 500 is equal to 3 to the power of x. So basically that's 2 into 500, 1000 is equal to 3 to the power of x. That gives me my solution. X is equal to 1000. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want to practice every day, please subscribe to my channel as I post every day. Till next time, have a nice day.